Friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can just fix heating problem in Motorola phones and how to fix it. Before proceeding the video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like the video if you like it. So let's start the video. First you have to just go to the settings of your smartphone. Go to settings and then swipe down. You can see there is an app option. Click on it, click on see all apps, click on show system apps. By click on then these three dots, click on show system apps and then swipe down. You can clear cache of the app who uses more data or storage, like this. You can click on storage and cache and then click on clear cache, and then you can disable the background usage. It will help to increase the battery life of your smartphone. Then scroll down, you can see career services, and then you can also clear cache this. Then swipe down. You can see, friends, there are a lot of apps that are consuming MB. Then clear cache this and then press back and go to the security of your mobile phone. Then go to the settings and go to the battery. You can see, friends, there is a battery usage option and you can see there who uses more battery, and you can use battery saver option to reduce battery consumption. It will definitely decrease the heating issue in your phone, and you can reboot your phone by this. I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video for more videos. Thanks for watching.